Hey guys, what's going on? Yeah, this is, I mentioned in my video with my Batwings, Angelo, he said, well, you know, I'm going to send you something, a little couple souvenirs from my country, and just want you to have them. And so he put them in with my Batwings, and I didn't know what they were. He wanted to be surprised, and I'm really surprised. This is a boat, and it is also a, if I can do this right, switchblade. It's a little keychain switchblade. And then he gave me an automatic corkscrew. Now, when I saw this, I wasn't sure exactly what it was. You turn it over, and he makes these. Angelo Campolin. So how would one of Angelo's corkscrews actually work? How do you think? Gee, I wonder. Switchblade. Angelo's a real good guy. Anyway, I just thought I'd show that to you. That's so cool. I've never seen anything like that. Anyway, hey, take it easy, enjoy the videos. You know, you guys got some awesome collections. Keep them coming. Later on.